Oxford Street, Manchester. Don't know what I'm doing yet. Oh, let's have a look around, shall we? Bold Street Coffee, that's a good place for breakfast, but that's not where I'm going today. Ah, cool. Fuck, $42.99. Jesus Christ. I need a HDMI cable for my projector because the picture's kind of like stalling on Blu-rays. 50 quid though. Just go on Amazon. Ooh, Damaged Society. I'm damaged. You know what I hate about these places? I can't fucking ever get out. It's like being at a Vegas casino. And I know, yeah, I'm that dumb. I can't find my way out. Hey, finally! Finally found a fucking exit. Christmas food stalls are already here. Right, I'm off to the Hatch in Manchester, where all the street food is. Cities, like, they always seem like so convenient, but I couldn't live in one, you know? I like visiting them, but I don't know, it's just, I think it's like too busy. Just used to being a rural little bitch. My vocabulary is terrible at the moment. I cannot think of words. It's like middle of November, it's way too hot for jeans. Cracking my ass like a fucking waterfall already. So if you ever want to go to the Hatch, as you come out of Oxford Street train station, you turn right. Actually, before I do anything, I'm gonna have a drink. $21.56 for that. Oh, right, they got a full list here. I don't know where Kong's moved to. Last time I was here, they opened the day I came here, and yeah, man, I filmed the vlog, but I was fucking miserable in it. Totally miserable. There's like too many bad jokes. The barber's here. Is that dog groomers? Probably. There it is. Excuse me, are you open yet?
Unfortunately, we've had some technical issues.
Do you have an idea of what time you're opening?
As soon as I work out which one of the 7 different extension leads is appropriate.
Thank you. Fuck's sake, last time I opened late as well. If I can find the footage of the last vlog I did, I'll try and add some of it As long as I'm not like just being a complete negative Nelly in it. It could be a complete coincidence, but the last time I came here was the first day they opened, and they were really late opening then as well, so they never open on time, it seems. Or just the 2 times that I've come here anyway. Yeah, typical. I'm gonna go down to the Dog Bowl, where there's a Kong's Chicken place. They will be open, I know it. I'll play a game. Play Sonic 2, there we go. Order food first. Oh wow, that's a really good Guinness. Okay, I've had that, it's really good. I'm having that. Should have ordered that. Jalapeno mac and cheese balls. My god. Everything on here looks good and probably all tastes good too. Table number 12. That's a multiplicity quote. I am such a movie nerd. The Queen's Own ketchup. Bit of sriracha as well. Just on that half. Oh, look at that. That was really good. Right, I'm gonna have one go on Sonic. One go on Sonic 2. 1, 2. One on Sonic 2. One minute, 7 seconds. Smells like your mother's attic in there. Cool place though. Upon trying to find Affleck's, I stumbled across Northern Monk. They've also got a Kong's Chicken in here. Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck's.
So once I make the most money I can, they just come from everywhere. Okay? Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Yeah, as soon as you like confront her, then she'll be like, oh, it's fine. Don't worry.
Guy Fieri shirt. I fell out of place there. I mean, I know I've got a festival top on, but everyone in there is dressed like it's Download Festival, and I'm just dressed like an average civilian. When I used to go to Download Festival, like 2011, 12, maybe even as late as 14, I'd have like chains and stuff and like black nail polish on. I'm in Oxfam right now. Videos? Jesus. I don't have this season. Do I have... I've got that one. So is this shit even interesting? I mean, I'm just walking around a city, which is what I do most weekends. I could have done hundreds of these vlogs over the years, but personally I don't think they are interesting enough. This is me walking around eating loads of food and fucking buying the odd DVD or Blu-ray that I find in a charity shop or at an HMV or whatever I come across. I
turn right onto Portland Street.
Using Google. Shut up, bitch. I'm using Google to tell me where to go because kind of lost a little bit, despite the fact that I've been here like 4 times this year already.
Turn left.
Wait, shut up, bitch. I'm not. Don't tell me what to do. I'll go wherever I want, whenever I want. Maybe not.
Walk southwest towards Portland Street.
Do what I want. I'm single. Don't tell me what to do. Hold on a minute. Like I haven't spent enough on craft beer already today. Dare I have a look? Please wait here to be seated. Well, maybe next time. It's open! $90 shiz. Let's try again, shall we? There we go. The all-day breakfast burger?
Yeah.
Can I get one of them? And how much is it to upgrade to the loaded Mexican fries? Can I do that?
Yeah, I'd say £3.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. If that's okay. So it's now 20 to 4. I've ordered my all-day breakfast burger and some fries. Unfortunately, they opened late and they don't have any hash browns to go in the breakfast burger. So I'm still going to review the place. Sorry guys, I just picked a bad day. Just coincidence that the first 2 times I've come here they've opened late. Alright, it's best I can do camera angle wise. 3 hours later than I was planning on having it, but as Beard Meats Food says, but it's good, or let's do this, or whatever the fuck.
What's up, Beard Army? Welcome back. I'm here in the Hatch in Manchester. This joke is running thinner than the top of my hair. I can't even do his laugh. Yeah, unfortunately, they didn't have any hash browns, so they put fries in, and they didn't have any of the black pudding mayonnaise by the look of it either, and I think they put a bit of black pudding in instead, if I remember correctly. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you at the next one.
Right, there's meant to be a hash brown in this, but he's put fries and some black pudding in instead. Although I don't see any mayo in it or any sauce of any kind. God, I feel bad now that they have no idea I'm reviewing their place and putting this online. Luckily nobody watches my videos, because not as good as the chicken burger I had earlier. That chicken burger is like a 9 out of 10. I'd say this is like a 6. about 8 minutes late because something happened to the train. Boring, nobody cares. Booked myself in for a movie, which starts now. It's called The Banshees of Inisherin. I don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah. Right. Pretty uneventful vlog. Just me spending money that I shouldn't be spending while I'm in the middle of trying to buy a house. At the worst possible time to be trying to buy a house. But, you know, fucking hell. I'm off there to go watch a film. See you later. Bye.